boys and girls, Miss Gemma here, how are you? In today's lesson we're going to talk about a pronoun. So what's a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Remember boys and girls, a noun is a person, place or a thing. There are different types of pronouns. In this lesson we're going to talk about personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Let's go take a closer look now.
I, you, they.
So let's have a look at our first pronoun, boys and girls, which is a personal pronoun. So a personal pronoun takes the place of people or things. They can be either singular or plural, depending on whether they refer to one or multiple nouns. Personal pronouns are usually either the subject of a sentence or an object within a sentence. Each personal pronoun has a different form depending on its function. So let's have a closer look at this. So if I'm first person, the first person, I'm the one speaking, okay? So the words I will use is I, we, me, or us, because I'm included in that. Second person is the person who is being spoken to, which in this case is you. And third person is the person or thing being spoken about. So words like she, he, they, it, her, him, and them. Our next type of pronoun, boys and girls, is a possessive pronoun. So a possessive pronoun are personal pronouns that also indicate possession of something or owning something, so something that's mine. They have a singular form like her or a plural form like their. So more than one. These pronouns often come before the possessed or owned item, but not always. Let me give you an example, boys and girls. So these two statements both mean possession. So my lunchbox, it's mine, or the lunchbox is mine. So both tell me who owns the lunchbox, which is me, okay? So that's my and mine. Some other words that we could use are his, hers, mine, our, ours, their, theirs, its, your, and yours.
I, you, they.
Boys and girls, there is a worksheet available that needs you to choose the correct pronouns. You did a wonderful job, boys and girls. Now that you have finished learning some more about pronouns, your next lesson can be to learn about nouns and all the different types. Come and join me and find out more. I'll see you in our next lesson.